What's going on, everyone? Here's my Tahoe, and I got something pretty cool for it. Haven't installed it yet. I'm not going to say what it is quite yet, but it's something that's been holding us back with what I have done to this. Now, I'm not going to go into what I have done to this at this juncture because I want to save that until after the new part, I should say, is installed. So, it is a fully built truck, motor, engine, trans, rear end. So don't let the stock soccer mom look fool you at all, any way, shape, or form. Because I can guarantee you, this is probably the fastest naturally aspirated Tahoe, but I'm not saying what motor's in it yet, in the area. If anybody wants to put that to the test, you can contact me, message me, hit me on Instagram. Instagram is Don Nisi. Facebook, Don Nisi. Leave me a message on here, shoot me a message on here, put it in the comments. And always remember to like, comment, and subscribe my videos. Share them with the world. Show them what's going on, because not only is this channel about me and my stuff and my toys and my cars. There's my other toy over there. There's several videos on that. But it's also gearing towards the street outlaws, the street scene, the real shit that goes down. Not the shit that you see on Discovery Channel, which is, I love. We all love that. That's why we watch it. But what goes on when the cameras aren't rolling, when it's just JJ the boss and the boys out racing on a Saturday night with no cameras, or when Big Treef and Murder Nova and Sean and Doc and Fireball Camaro and Chuck and all those boys are racing. Boosie GT, Limpy from Texas. All the shit that you don't see, you will find right here on this YouTube channel. All the behind the scenes shit, the shit that you will not see on TV, you will see right here. You won't see anywhere else. Guaranteed. Now, let's get to the point of the video. So I bought what's in this box from eBay. I shouldn't say bought. I worked out a deal with someone. They're Turbine, they're 370Z, and I had some parts that were beneficial to him. I'm not going to go into the details. And we were able to work something out. So, there's one thing that's been holding this truck back that I kind of skimped out on. Once I do this unboxing of this gorgeous new part, for this part, you can go to www.performancecurve.com, and I guarantee you're not going to find something this good, of this quality, for what was paid for this. What was paid for this was $187. If you were to go to one of the big manufacturers, like a real good manufacturer that makes this type of part, you're looking to spend $400, $500, $600, $700. I mean, that's for a really, really good one. Yeah, you can get some, some well-known name brand ones, but I'm not going to name any brands. I'm only plugging who I bought this part, who this part was purchased from in this video. That's www.performancecurve.com. They are well known on eBay. Incredible reviews from these guys. I'm not typically an eBay parts person, but once I found this and I saw the price, I figured, what the hell? Why not? What do I got to lose? Actually, I got nothing to lose, because, it's a parts trade, and that was something sitting on my shelf in my parts room, and they paid for what's in the box. So let's get to the unboxing, so to say. I've kind of already unboxed it, but I'll give you a little bit of a pan around the Tahoe. She's pretty clean. She's an 01. Very, 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 very quick. Naturally aspirated. It's dirty right now. She needs a bath. So, like I said, it's 01 Tahoe LS. Leather interior. Front and rear AC. Bose stereo stock, but the Bose system's been taken out. I've obviously upgraded. Leather interior, very comfortable. It's got about $188, $187 on the odometer, but that's on the body. It's not on the drivetrain anymore. So here we go with the unboxing to get over the anticipation. You guys ready? Are you guys ready for it? Here we go. Well, an exhaust. That's right, an exhaust. Now, my first mod I did to this truck was a muffler. I didn't buy a full exhaust because they're the cost of it, and it's a pretty decent sized diameter from the factory. And I wasn't expecting to go the route that I was going with this truck. I swore to myself I wasn't going to build it. I was going to keep it as a, you know, it still is a daily driver, but as a daily driver that wasn't built to the level that I built this. I mean, the point was maybe to do a cold air, you know, a couple of things, appearance stuff. Well, the ball rolled and evolved, and we all that are car nuts and like to build stuff, we know how that goes. Once the ball gets rolling, it doesn't stop. You just, you know, it just keeps going and going and going. You start building and building and building because you're addicted to it and you can't stop. So, let me digress. So, it's got the stock piping on it. I will say this right now in the video. It does have lawn tubes. It does have an off-road Y pipe. Cat delete. But from the off-road Y pipe back, the piping is stock, except for the performance muffler that I put on it. Sounds pretty good. It's not too loud, not too quiet, doesn't drone on the highway. But the size of the piping is really what's been holding this back. So, let's dig deeper into what's in the box. Here is the invoice. I folded it over so you can't see my address and my name, but it is from www.performance-curve.com. They're on eBay, and the amount was paid for this was $187. If you don't believe me, go look it up on YouTube, on eBay. Oh, there it is, right there. $187.56. And what's included for that? You got all 3-inch manual bent piping. Let me put this down. Excuse me. And I don't edit my videos. I just roll with them, uncut, so on and so forth. So here is the rear section. Full 3-inch with the hangers. All manual bent. Okay. Next in the box is the mid pipe. Well, yeah, the mid pipe. The pipe that goes between the off-road Y pipe and the muffler. All 3-inch manual bent. Really good quality. No dents, no dings, no nothing. I've heard nothing but good things about fitment. Fitment's supposed to be excellent. I believe it's 16 gauge from what I recall. But I live in the South, so I'm not worried about rust. I mean, I understand you're not getting full stainless steel, you know, for the price, which is understandable. but you're getting a lot for your buck here. Now, this is the best part of the kit, if you ask me. Here you have a magnaflow muffler. That's right, a magnaflow muffler. 14-inch muffler. Hold on a second. 14-inch muffler. Straight through design. That comes in the kit. Stainless steel. Next, what comes in the kit is, I'm not going to take this fully out. You get a polished stainless steel tip, 4.5 inch. But I'm probably going to reuse a tip that I got on here now. It's a Dyno, and I really like the tip, though. That's not the muffler that's on here. That's just the current tip. I'm probably going to reuse that if I can. I'll find out once I start welding as far as the diameter. But this comes in the kit. Yeah, put that on there so you get a good look. All your hardware, you're not getting V-band or band clamps. You're just getting your basic 3-inch cheapo clamps. Nothing wrong with those. The thing to do with those, if you use them, which I'm not going to, I'm going to weld this exhaust on. If you ever want to remove your exhaust with ease, my hand's in the way of the camera, I'm sorry about that. If you ever want to remove your exhaust with ease, take a Dremel, a die grinder, whatever you have, and cut a slit here, a slit here, a slit here, slit here, slit here, slit here, wherever your clamps go. Because what that'll do is it'll allow it to separate if you use those conventional U-bolt exhaust clamps instead of totally crunching the pipe down. You'll get a good seal with that type of clamp. But like I said, I'm welding mine on. So I'm going to end the video here. This should be installed tomorrow or Friday. Today is now Wednesday. And once it's installed, we're going to do a full review, a full walk around, and a full description of my sleeper Tahoe. Until then, thank everybody for watching. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Your comments, good, bad, negative, positive, I don't care. Just leave your comments. And don't forget, keep the performance hobby alive and well. It's important. It's in our blood. Let's enjoy it. I will see you all soon for the next one. And I'm sure you're going to be very impressed with what you see and what you hear. I'll talk to you soon. Oh, one more thing. Instagram, Donanesi. It's DONANESI. Facebook is same thing. Donanesi. DONANESI. Follow me, like me, thumb me, do whatever you want to do. Leave me a comment, DM me. I'm also an LS and LT specialist. You got any questions, comments, concerns, issues you're having. I'm also a certified GM tech. You need any advice, any help, anything, hit me up. Anytime, day or night. I will call you. I will text you. I will direct message you. Whatever you need. And I will help you along with your technical issues to your builds. I'll see you all soon once the exhaust is on and the truck is running. Thank you everyone for watching. You all have a good day. Thanks.